In this video, I will show you how to adjust the brightness of your Samsung Smart TV. So if you notice that the screen of your Samsung Smart TV is too bright or too dim, then you want to go ahead and either increase or reduce the brightness of your Samsung Smart TV. And to achieve this, you want to use the navigation buttons on your remote control to just head over to the settings of the TV. So you just want to use the navigation buttons over here to scroll horizontally towards the left hand side until you get to this settings icon, which is basically this gear icon. Now go ahead and select it, and from the settings you want to go ahead and select the picture settings, then scroll down to where you have expert settings over here, select it. And then from here you can literally see the brightness option of your Samsung Smart TV. So go ahead and select this option, and now you can now increase or reduce the brightness of the TV. Now the most you can actually do is 50, so you can either reduce it to less than 50. As you can see, my Samsung Smart TV is now getting dim, and for me to increase it, I'll just move forward to the right direction. And as you can see, the brightness of my Samsung Smart TV is now being increased. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.